your favorite baddie, unicorn mermaid princess, Jeremy Bad with 2 D's is back with another video. Clearly, as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know what we doing today. So I really want to get started. But y'all know that the last style, well, if you do know, if you don't know, if you possibly know, the last style that I did do was this look, okay? This look didn't take me no time. It took me probably about 10 minutes to do. Real easy, real simple. But for this video, I want to still keep this, and I want to revamp it, elevate it, bring it to the next level. It's about hair. It needs to be about hair. And then maybe I'll make another video that's about hair right after this, okay? So I don't really know what we're gonna go for. I'm kind of feeling like I want to stick with this look, and I might want to put these Bantu knots all over my head with the hearts coming out of it. This is what I had, how I drew it out right here on my phone. This is what we possibly are going for today. So I'm gonna go see if I can section out the last few sections for this rest of this hair. I'm gonna take one piece from the last section, bring it up here to this front to get it out the way, because we need to leave pieces out so that we can create our hearts in the Bantu knots. So boom, Bantu knot her up. I don't do the 2-strand twist first when I Bantu knot. I just take the hair and twist it and then start doing the Bantu knot. I start letting the Bantu knot basically form itself. I try to be as gentle and neat as possible. If some of them come out, I tuck them back in. I take a rubber band when I'm done with the Bantu knot, and I rubber band it to kind of like secure her, okay? So now we got all our Bantu knots where they're supposed to be at, right? 4 more, I gotta do 4 more of exactly these is what we're going for. So I got my 4 pieces out, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut 4 more pieces of this silver wire. If you don't know what this silver wire is, then you need to go check this video out when I first used it. Basically, all it is silver wire that people like wrap their jewelry and crystals with, okay? So that's all it is. Now, I'm gonna cut 4 pieces of this so that I can use this to wrap my my locks around this silver wire so that we can shape them however we want to shape them. That's how we got these hearts up here, and that's how we're gonna get the rest of the hearts. We're gonna take our wire, our silver wire, we're gonna wrap a loop around it all the way to this, like to your roots, like your scalp. And you're gonna squeeze that wire like this. Squeeze it so that it's latched on your hair really, really good. After you do that, then you just gonna keep wrapping this wire with your hair, just like a soft lock, where you don't want the inside to be seen, so you don't necessarily want to see the silver part too much. It's a little bit difficult to like stay away from seeing it at all. Like, as y'all can see a little bit of silver in my head, but it's not so much that, you know, it's super noticeable. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to give up our illusion of how we got our hair going, how we did our hair. So boom, you just continue to wrap. And then when you get to the end, you grab it and you fold it like that. And now it's secure. So all the hearts are coming from behind the Bantu knots. So that's what we're gonna continue to do. I think, maybe not though. for some reason, I'm thinking that this is going to be the final look because I kind of like these two pieces in the front, especially since considering my forehead is extremely large. So I'm feeling like this is the look that we're gonna go for. This is gonna be our Bantu knot look with the hearts coming out. Yes, I don't know if y'all like this. Y'all probably think this is unrealistic or this is too much going on. If y'all feel like this is too much going on, go ahead and leave me a comment. If y'all like this, make sure y'all leave me a comment. I'm feeling this look, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And sis, make sure that you stay that bitch because you already know that you that bitch. Don't let no nigga tell you that you ain't that bitch because Germany Bad said that you is, so that means that you is. So yeah, thank y'all for staying tuned to the end. Let me know what y'all think. Is this cute? Is it not? Let me know. I'll be back.
Man, I gotta maintain. Man, I gotta maintain my grind. Man, I can't stop now. Man, I can't let them take my shine. Say, man, I gotta maintain. Man, I gotta maintain my grind. Man, I can't stop now. Man, I can't let them take my shine.